I'm gonna show you how to make
That's better.
I'm gonna show you how to make this ransom note design super fast and easy. So this design is not actually that complicated. I've just got a square artboard open and I changed the color to black so that I can get some contrast to my colors in my paper letters. In the text panel, you can scroll down, you can find all of your cutout elements and cue time lapse. So in this time lapse, my goal is to try to get things to feel balanced and also layered. So I'm trying to put some letters in front of others, some behind, not just stack them all on top from left to right and then from left to right on the bottom line, because then things don't feel dynamic as if I've clipped them together in real life. Once I got to a place that I feel I was confident in the design, the only thing that I had to do was throw a texture on it, and there you have it. I find doing this type of design in Kittl super easy and convenient, specifically because it's all vector. You can change the colors of it, the fonts, the text to make it completely your own. I went ahead and mocked this up on a couple of different products and posters so that you could see what it looks like in action. I hope that you go and try this out for yourself. I've posted this template on my page on Kittl. You can find my profile in the link in the description below. Go try it out. If you haven't used Kittl yet, it's free to sign up for and try. And I think you'll just be surprised at how easy it is to create complex designs in just a couple of minutes. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.